Hey, what's up guys? This is your boy Pentium and I welcome you all to the Pentium GH channel. So for past weeks, I've been doing videos about Android tricks and hacks and computer and tech stuff. But in today's video, I'm going to take you through a whole project on the termux application. I know most might have heard about termux. For us who are beginners, I will try and clarify something on termux, okay? All you need to know about termux and its application. For we, the existing users or the professional hackers, they will be able to enhance our skills on termux application. Now, let me clarify this on termux. So the termux is an Android terminal emulator and Linux environment, okay, that allows you to install advanced tools, okay. It is used for programming and coding, okay. Now, it doesn't require any root access before you install it. So basically, you just install it right away from Google Play Store. Now, someone will ask, do I need any special skills or any expertise before I use termux? I will tell you, termux is for everyone. Once you are ready to learn and practice, you will be able to equip yourself well, so you learn more advanced languages like Python and C and C++. Okay, you can use all these languages on termux. So it's just a matter of practice. Okay, keep on practicing and you'll be an expert. So today we are going to learn right from the scratch and get used to the basic commands and the application. Please, today is my first time starting this video, so I would need all your support, your views, your likes, and all will help me and give me the morale to do more videos on termux. Alright guys, so now let's get started. So first of all, you go to Play Store. So I have my termux application already installed, so just go to Play Store and search for termux, okay. It has a rating of 4.5, okay. So you just check there and download the app. So this is termux, okay. Just download the file here and install on your Android phone. Now I will recommend Hacker's Keyboard. This keyboard has a good, or how do I say it has a lot of commands that will be useful in your termux application. So you do as well to download the Hacker's Keyboard. So you type Hacker's Keyboard and you search for the app, okay. So you download this and install these two. Alright guys, now let's get straight into our app. So you open your termux app. Okay, so this is how the interface looks like. Okay, now you would have to update all your packages. Okay, if there is any update, it will prompt you and you type yes to allow. So you can type, but basically in termux we have two package managers. Okay, we have the apt and the pkg. All these are used in installing packages and managing packages. So now, if you want to update your packages, you type pkg update. Then you press Y to confirm, or you type pkg upgrade. You can either, or alternatively, you can combine these commands by adding the end sign, that is two end signs. So I type pkg update space and pkg upgrade, okay, and I press space then dash minus y, so space minus y, then you enter. Okay, it will require an internet connection, so you have to be patient. Okay, so it updates all your packages. Alright guys, so now we are done with the upgrade and update of the packages and the dependencies. Alright guys, so the next command is to allow termux have access to your storage or your SD card. So with that command, you type termux-setup-storage. Okay, so termux-setup-storage, and you hit enter. It will ask you if you want to continue. Type yes to grant termux your storage access. Okay, a pop-up notification will come and you would allow that. Okay, so click on allow to allow. Now on our next command, we have the pwd. Typing pwd will show you your current directory. Okay, so this is our current directory, so this is our present directory. On our next command, we are typing cd space dash sd card. Okay, that is when you want to change your directory. Okay, so I want to have access to my SD card. Okay, by typing this, and you would allow or show the list by typing ls, and to give you all the directory in your storage or your SD card. Now on our next command, we want to learn how to copy files and move files from one directory to another. Okay, so over here you will use the command cp space, you enter the file name, then you give the path in which you want to copy the file. So this tool is very simple. So I want to copy this file. Okay, the file I just highlighted. So I copy, then I paste it here, and the next thing I will do is to give a space, and I will enter the path in which I want to copy. Please and kindly follow carefully. You type in /sd card / so I want to copy this file into for instance, this is my folder, a folder called mypush. So MIPUSH. So MIPUSH. Then I'll enter / again. So now I'm done copying. If I want to show the file there or the list of the files in the mypush folder, I will just type cd space then mypush. Then I will enter the /sign, and I will type ls to show the list of the files in there. So as you can see, we just copied this file. So we copied this file. This was the file we copied into the mypush folder. Alright guys, so now let's continue. You continue with our command. If you want to go to the directory in which you were in, or your previous directory, you type in cd space then 2 dots. Okay, that will send you to your previous directory. So we were here and we moved straight to mypush, so it has sent us back. On our next command, we type in clear, that is clear, to clear the termux terminal. So type in clear to clear the termux terminal. Alright guys, so we want to learn how to create a new folder. In creating a new folder, you type in mkdir space the folder name to create the folder. So I want to create a new folder, Pentium. So mkdir space Pentium. Okay, so it's telling me that I cannot create the Pentium directory because the file already exists. So let me create a different folder. So mkdir maybe boss. Okay, boss. Okay, so we just created a folder called boss. If you want to show a list of the files in the boss folder or the boss directory, you just type in ls. Okay, so we just created the boss folder. So where is the boss? Okay, so this is boss. Sorry, let me. Okay, so I just highlighted it. Okay, we just created a folder. And now on our next command, if you want to remove boss, okay, you type in rm, the command rm dir space, then you type in the file name. So we just created boss and we want to delete boss, so we type in boss, okay, and hit enter, then type in ls to show all the files. So now we just deleted boss. Now on our next command, you can also show or see all packages in apt repository of termux. You could list all the packages in the termux terminal by typing in apt space then list, apt space list. Okay, so these are all the packages available here. So you can install any package here by typing in pkg space install space the file name. Okay, so over here I want to install the package gate. Okay, so I type in pkg space install space then the name of the package. So I want to install gate package. So I after I'm done, then I hit enter. So as I said, it's going to use the internet. So it's going to, so after you are done, if you want to uninstall again, you just type in pkg space uninstall space gate. Okay, so you will just remove it. It will ask you if you want to continue. Just type y to grant access. Okay, so we are done. On our next command, you could actually create new section by swiping from left to right. Okay, so swiping from left to right, you could see two options there. You have the keyboard and new section. Typing new section gives you a new section as the name goes. And you could actually also show your calendar by typing in the command cal. So let's type in the command cal. Okay, so this is the calendar. Okay, that gives you a date. Okay, your date. Okay, it shows the calendar. And you could also show your date by typing in the command date. So this is today's date. Okay, and on our next command, you could actually also exit the termux application by typing in exit. Okay, now we are done. Alright guys, so if this video was really helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do as well to subscribe so you stay connected. This is my first video. I'll be doing more of these videos, so kindly join me each and every time I upload new videos, and trust me, you wouldn't regret. For those who are professional hackers and users, I'll be uploading more of the commands so we get acquainted with these commands. Alright guys, I will end here. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye.